Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? Toe, thumb plus arc. Toe, thumb, arc. Toe the mark. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene Wood. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to our show once again. I'd like you to meet our two contestants. On my right, the lady who won the game at the end of our last program, and in doing so, picked up over $6,000 in just 2 prizes. This is Michelle Marlowe, and we're delighted to have you back here.
Thank you.
Well, now you can tell me a little bit about yourself, since we didn't have time on the last show.
Okay, I live in La Costa, California.
Oh, pretty down there.
And I've been married for almost 4 years, and I have a 2-year-old son, Jonathan. And
is he a handful? Is it the terrible twos?
He's getting to be a terrible two, I have to admit.
But special.
Grandma don't listen, but they won't listen to that kind of stuff. And I have one on the way.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Well, good for you.
I'm real excited about it.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
I know you're excited about being on our program and winning some prizes. Let's see what happens today against this man. I tried to get rid of him prematurely on yesterday's show. This is Rick Hall. Welcome back, Rick.
Thank you.
My eyes weren't working well. I saw 2 X's instead of 1. You've just lost the 1 game. How do you feel today?
A little nervous still.
Yeah?
It's hard to get rid of the
You have a
butterflies.
family? She's got
Yes,
one
I do.
on the way and a little 2-year-old. What have you got?
Quite the family. I've got a wife and 4 children.
Ready to play?
Ready.
Okay, we're not going to spend any time talking about names. We are going to get Gene to tell you about the prize. Gene.
Service for 8 of fine English bone china in the popular Pembroke pattern. Each piece handcrafted and finished by master English artisan. From the fine china collection of the Michael C. Fina Company. Alex.
I dare you to drop one, Marjorie. You were so tempted, weren't you? Yes. That's fine china. That's expensive stuff. We don't want to be throwing it all over the studio floor. Let's show Michelle and Rick where they can find the china on our prize board. It's fine china for 8 at number 5. We've got a vacation in Honolulu, Hawaii. And Rick, since you lost the last game, you get to go first today.
Okay, let's look for a little bit of travel. Right to the center of the board under number 13, please.
Red take.
Oh, that might help. Number 22.
Designer sunglasses. It's a fun prize, but no match. Michelle?
Number 7.
Wild card.
Oh, my gosh.
Now, there's Honolulu up there.
I love Hawaii. I'm going to go hunting for the Hawaiian trip. How about number 2?
How about number 2? Isn't that nice?
I love Hawaii.
Isn't that just great?
That's wonderful.
All right, Michelle, we'll show you the other Honolulu trip. It's at number 19, but it doesn't matter. You just savor the moment. We'll open these 3 panels, and you'll get a first look at this puzzle.
Okay.
Pick again.
Number 4.
Entertainment Center.
We could use that. Number 20.
Fine china for 8. No match. Rick?
Oh, I've gone brain damaged. Number 10, please.
Wild card. Think now, Rick. Think.
Play dirty pool. Number 13, please.
13. Yes, he's
I'll
thinking.
take my Hawaiian trip, Rick.
The other red take, where is it?
I'll take
Show it to him.
my Hawaiian trip.
Number 16.
I'd like the trip, please.
Right now, huh?
Right now.
Rick.
He said he's playing
never
dirty
get
He
another
pool.
was
match.
playing dirty pool.
All right, well,
admit.
you'll get another chance, I'm
Okay.
sure, Michelle. It's still very, very early in this game. Open these panels. And what has Rick to say about this puzzle? Nothing. So you'll pick
Very
again.
little. Number 24, please.
Toaster, oven, and broiler.
Number 3.
Leather attaché. No match. Michelle?
Number 20. And number 5 for the match.
That's the one you missed a little while ago. Fine china for 8. 2 more doors opening for Michelle. Go again.
Number 21. Number 24 for the match.
24 is a match, yes. And made naturally, which is good going. Select, open it up. See if you can match it. I think it's still too early, though.
I think so too, Alex.
And so select.
Number 6.
Encyclopedia set.
That would be great for when my son gets a little older. Number 23.
Encyclopedia set. I don't want to break your rhythm or your momentum, so we'll just open the panels immediately.
Okay.
Keep it going. Go again.
How about number 12?
Diamond earrings.
Oh, I'd love some diamond earrings. Number 1? Oh, gosh.
Saw that D.
I saw the D and I thought I had it.
Yeah, the DI. Well, it didn't work. Rick,
No.
your chance.
Let's make it work. Number 17, please.
Dining room.
And number 1.
That's a match. Comes back strong. Rick takes a licking and keeps on ticking. Look at him go. Can he solve it now? Pick again, Rick.
Number 14, please.
Diamond earrings.
Oh, where were they? Number 18, please.
Green take. Michelle takes a deep breath. Will she make a match?
Were the diamond earrings under number 12?
Right.
And number 14 for the match.
Correct. Lady said she could use some diamond earrings.
I love them.
Middle of that puzzle opening up beautifully. Is it enough, Michelle? Pick again.
I really need to see what's under number 9.
We still have a wild card up there, by the way. There's a green
And number
take.
18. And I'm going to take that Hawaii trip back.
Yeah, I figured it was probably a waste of my time to even pick it up. Put it back on her side.
Give it back to me.
You've got it back there.
Turnabout's fair play.
Yes, it is. Open these two pieces. Try it again, Michelle.
Okay.
Still a wild card.
Have we seen what's under number 11 yet?
Entertainment Center.
Gosh. Number 25?
Leather attaché.
darn.
Gosh darn indeed. Rick, your chance.
Number 3, please.
3 for the leather attaché.
And number 25.
Leather attaché.
Well, take with them.
There are no more takes in play, but you could well clear the board. As you know, there's still a wild card up there, so you've got a better than 50-50 chance of making matches and getting rid of everything up there. But for the moment, we'll open these two panels.
It's not polite to point.
On the other hand, you might want to solve it right now. It's not polite to point. Yes. You want to take a chance with one strike against them. You're right. Probably the best thing to do. Explain it for us.
The 3 hits here are it's, the not down here, and the pull, and the light. It's, not, pull, light. And then the 2 and the point on the pencil over here. It's not polite to point.
All right, well done. Congratulations to you, Rick. Well, Michelle, it didn't work out for you, and you now have one strike against you, but only one, and that means you're coming back to play in game number 2. And we'll see you for that one in just a little bit. All right, Rick. More prizes coming your way.
5 more seconds.
You'll need for 5 more seconds. Yes, indeed. But right now, Gene, tell him.
Okay, he has a leather attaché and a dining room. Passett's Eastern Winds dining room set captures the mystery of the Orient. Its delicately engraved floral pattern in a rich birch finish, black trim, and polished brass hardware, furnished by Bassett. And Rick, these prizes total $3,205.
You're just a shade under 15 grand right now. When we come back, you'll have 45 seconds in which to win a brand new car.
Hopefully I won't need them all.
That's all right. Well, Rick, you said you needed those extra 5 seconds, so we're going to give them to you. Here are the 15 numbered squares first, and the clock will show 45 seconds. So good luck to you. Off you go.
3, 6.
Nope.
9, 12.
No again.
3, 12.
Right.
15. 1.
No.
2. 15.
Right.
4. 5.
No.
6. 4.
Correct.
7. 8.
No.
10. 11.
No.
1. 13.
No.
7. 11.
No.
14. 7.
No.
10. 14.
Right.
13. 9.
No.
11, 9.
11 and 9 would have
Rick.
worked. Yes, and you were 2 cars shy. You kind of lost it halfway through there, didn't you?
Yeah,
But
I got
that's
off
all
track.
right. That's okay. You've got $14,888 in great prizes. And you're playing again against Michelle when we come back. All right. This is a crucial, very important game for these two players because, as you can see, each one has an X, and that means each contestant has lost a game. You lose 2, it's goodbye on Classic Concentration. We'll start off by showing you one of the prizes available in this game.
This handsome reproduction of a farmhouse cupboard features glass doors for displaying all your treasures, drawers and cupboards for storage furnished by Charles & Charles. Alex.
And you can find that prize on our board right here behind this number. The kitchen cupboard at number 13. Now, Rick, this game is even more important for you because we have those 5 bonus car seconds in this game. And when we take those 5, add them to the 5 that will be added automatically to your last time out, that means you'd have plenty of time if you make it to the winner's circle. Michelle, it's not quite as important, just the 5 seconds for you. But we also have a holiday on the Caribbean Isle of Nevis in this game, $600 in the cash pot, but only 1 wild card to assist you.
Okay.
All right, let's go to work, Michelle.
Number 7.
Sleeper sofa.
And number 2.
Bakery bread maker, no match. Rick.
Let's look for an island. Number 10, please.
Garden tools.
That's not an island. Number 19, please.
Could be an island. Cash pot, no match. Michelle.
I'd like the cash pot. How about number 4?
High-tech telescope.
And number 25?
High-tech telescope, there's a match. And done naturally, so we didn't waste the wild card.
Wonderful.
Take a look, Michelle. Pretend you're looking at it through a high-tech telescope. Will that help?
If it could see through the other boxes, it would.
Yeah.
How about number 3?
Wild card. Now, there's a holiday on the Isle of Nevis.
Uh-huh.
And there are a lot of great other prizes there.
I have to go fishing for that holiday. I love to vacation. Is it under number 17?
No, we have a sleeper sofa. Michelle's trying to get herself excited over the sleeper sofa. It's a lovely piece of furniture, but it's not as exciting as a holiday in the Caribbean. The other sleeper sofa is at number 7. And that means another prize goes up there in your column, Michelle, and 3 more doors will open for you.
Okay.
Pick again.
Number 20?
5 bonus car
I
seconds.
love that. How about number 21?
Amethyst bracelet. Rick, back to you.
Saw what I needed to see. Number 11, please.
You did see it? Amethyst bracelet at 11.
And number 21.
There you go.
5 bonus car seconds.
Oh, I see. You saw where they are to be found. Let's open these 2 panels for you, though, Rick. Pick again.
Number 23, please.
Bakery bread maker.
I don't think we've seen that. Number 14, please.
5 bonus car seconds.
You're
Well, you
welcome.
saw what you needed to see, but Michelle also saw what she needed to see.
I hope so. Number 20?
Bonus
number
car
14.
seconds. And bonus car seconds.
right.
5 of them. Let's see what happens as we open these 2 panels.
Is it 2 ships pass in the night?
Is it 2 ships pass in the night? No, it is not. Back to you, Michelle.
Number 23?
Bakery bread maker.
Number 2?
Bakery bread maker, that's right. Take a look at it now.
Is it ships that pass in the night?
Is it ships that pass in the night? Ship will not pass in the night. First ship has docked. It's come into port. Congratulations. Let's go.
Thank you.
Oh, good prizes. Giant killer.
Well, I knew that I saw the hips, and I was trying to think of what could go with hips, and so I put ships plus the and the hat. So ships, that, and the football player's passing a football, so pass. We have a hen down here, which is in the And we have a Night on a Stallion, ships that pass in the night.
Congratulations to you.
Thank you.
Well done. You know that there were just 5 panels open, and there was enough showing of that puzzle to enable you to solve it. Well, we now have to say goodbye to you, Rick. I'm
Now
not
is
doing
my
it
second
prematurely. You've got 2 strikes against you, but you've got some cash, you've got some great prizes. Total value, $14,888.
Thank you very much.
Congratulations to you, Rick.
Good luck, Michelle.
Thank you, Rick.
Go home and get some sleep. I say that because he works the graveyard shift at a computer company here in Southern California. Hey, you won some good prizes, too. Let's hear about them, Gene.
A bakery bread maker and a sleeper sofa. The Lazy Boy Signature 2 Sleep Sofa with deluxe inner spring mattress featuring a wide variety of fabrics suitable for any decor. Enjoy elegance by day and comfort by night, furnished by Lazy Boy. And a high-tech telescope, an elegant telescope of classic brass. The Meade Model 228 for the view across town and for observing craters on the moon. Furnished by Meade Instruments. And the 5 bonus car seconds. And these prizes are worth $2,059.
And you're going to have 45 seconds on the clock
Okay.
when we come back after this commercial break. Hi, welcome back. Michelle and I are talking about birthing babies because I don't know nothing about birthing babies, but I am expecting my first child in February, and Michelle, as you heard a little while ago, is expecting her second child in April. Mm-hmm. Now, tell me about the birth of the first one. Was it an easy birth, long labor?
I was very lucky, actually. I had a fairly easy labor, and I think you forget a lot of it. There's something that just blocks out
I got
everything.
news for you. I'm 50 years old, and my mother, to this day, continually reminds me, I went through 36 hours of labor with you.
Yeah, I was very lucky, and we have a healthy boy who's already 2 years old.
Did you gain a lot of weight because you're very petite?
Actually, no. One of my weaknesses is chocolate, and for some reason with our first child, sweets really didn't attract me that much, so I was very lucky. But this time it doesn't seem to be bothering me that much, so I'll have to really try to keep my weight down this time.
I see. No strange cravings for weird foods and things like that?
Not that I can remember. My
See, I don't
husband would
consider
probably
chocolate
be the one
to
to
be a
ask.
weird food. Chocolate, you and I get along great. Chocolate is terrific.
Yes,
All right,
it
you ready
is.
to do this? So that those names are fresh as you start making your selections. The Daihatsu Charade is on that bottom shelf. Then we have the Nissan Sentra, the Geo LSI Convertible, that's a cute little car. The Pontiac Le Mans, they're all nice. The Jeep Wrangler, the Mitsubishi Mirage, the Honda CRX, and finally, we have the Hyundai Excel. Got all those names in there?
I got him.
All right, well, let's go to work. Here are the 15 numbered squares for you. And a little while ago, you started out with 35 seconds. We upped it to 40 seconds. And now we add the 5 bonus car seconds, and that means you're going to be working with 3/4 of a minute.
Okay.
Sound good?
Sounds great.
Good luck. Off you go. Win a car.
1, 3,
Nope.
4, 6,
No match again.
1, 6,
Right.
7, 9,
No.
10, 12,
No.
7, 12,
Right.
13, 15,
No.
3, 2,
Nope.
10, 2,
Correct.
5, 15,
Nope.
13, 5,
Right.
8, 11,
No.
4, 14,
No.
3, 11,
Yes.
15, 9,
No.
8.
You were
my
so
gosh.
deliberate, but you took just a little too much
guess
time.
so.
You'll have to, if you get up here again,
Okay.
try to make your selections a little faster,
Okay.
particularly in the early going.
Okay.
'Cause then if you make those matches, you can concentrate a little harder at the end
Great.
and wind up winning a car. But meanwhile, you have $8,116 in prizes
That's
to
wonderful.
enjoy.
Oh, yeah.
And we're going to take a break and talk about babies while Gene talks to you about another one of our prizes.
Some of today's participants may receive Singer's Featherweight Plus sewing machine, lightweight but big on performance, built-in free arm storage and handle, designed from years of sewing experience, furnished by Singer. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
Once again tomorrow, so join us then.
Bye.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.